Hi guys, today I received MacBook Air 11-inch A1465 early 2014 with liquid damage. The customer took the laptop to one of the biggest stores. They charged him $100 and they told him it's not fixable and it's not worth it. So he came to me, and what I did basically, I found a couple of components knocked off. I changed them. The laptop worked, but there was no like the laptop does not see the battery. I'll show you what I mean now. Hopefully it won't shut down on me. See, like the battery, the laptop showing X sign on it. You see where my finger is? Hopefully you can see this anyway. So what I found out, I'll zoom to the schematic. I'll point my camera to the schematic. Okay. Basically, oh boy. Hopefully this is better for you guys. Okay, so here, if you pull the schematic, page 48 of this board, this is the A1465 motherboard, MacBook Air MacBook Air 11-inch 2014. I have on this component a Q7155, and it's showing it critical on the schematic. I have a P Mosfet channel, and from where I know this, from Google. So here I should have on pin 5 PPV battery G3 hot connector. I should have some voltage there, like 8.6 volt, which I don't have it. So what I did, I measured on pin 1, 2, 3 of this MOSFET the voltage, and I also should have 8.6 volt. I'll just zoom this, which I don't have it. So I went further and I checked resistor 7151 and resistor 7152. I had both of them in mega ohm, but I should have the schematic saying 2.2 ohm and 0 ohm. So I went further, I changed both those two resistors, and I had 8.6 volt on number 1, 2, 3, but still don't have 8.6 volt on pin 5. So now I'm like for sure, assuming pin number 4 working, like 100% I'm sure if I change this chip, the Q7155, I'll get the battery to work. And if we run Google, if we run this chip on Google, I have, this is the data sheet for this chip. It's a P channel 20 volt MOSFET application. They are using adapter switch and battery switch. So I'll just change it on camera. I'll point the camera to the laptop. Hopefully it helps. Okay, I'll do it fast. I'll remove the logic board. This is the battery. Here. Q7155. Yeah, it took me some time to figure out what's wrong with this motherboard, because someone already cleaned it with alcohol and brushed it, which I don't like, because people, when they do this, they break it. I mean, fixing liquid damage is not just cleaning with alcohol. Like whoever wants to do this job, he has to know how to read schematic, he has to know how to diagnose and troubleshoot, and unfortunately many of the technicians, they don't. Yeah, so I'll just remove it. I'll remove the chip, applying paste. Come on, come on. Here's the old chip. Just pick a new one. Yep, it's done. Just let it cool off. Let's cool down a little bit. Yeah, again here, I'll just put this little, I'll put the camera up so you can see me clearly after I'll test the board. Yeah, here again, many stores and technicians claim they can fix liquid damage. Unfortunately, many of them they can't. As a customer, you have to make sure that you bring your laptop to the right place. So yeah, you have to ask the person what they do, what's their success rate, the way they do it. How do they clean liquid damage? I mean, again, I'll keep saying this over and over and over. Cleaning motherboards with alcohol is not a professional, is not the proper solution. You might get away with some of them, but it breaks again. If you don't clean the board with ultrasonic cleaner professionally, it will not work. And after cleaning, you have to diagnose the logic board with voltmeter, and you go through schematic to see what's wrong with it. This is the way. Yeah, so for customers, if you walk into a place and they charge you money just to tell you that your logic board is not good, you have to change it. It's a scam. It's people like those stores, they just take your money and tell you it's damaged. You have to bring it to the right people, or if they tell you it will last a week or 2 weeks, then you know for a fact that this place outsourcing his repair to someone else. So either he ship it somewhere else or whatever. Those repairs, I would say 85% of them, they take a couple of hours, 1 to 3 hours to do, then another half an hour or 1 hour for testing. So if anyone tells you that it takes a week or 10 days, know that he's outsourcing the job, and as a customer you don't want to do this. Here we have many of our repairs done the same day, a couple of hours, or maximum it takes a day. You can check our website appleexpert.ca, or you can call us 403-473-1253. We are located in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and we're willing to help even businesses. Now let's check if this fixed the problem we have. I'll just connect the keyboard and the battery and the LCD. If it worked, I have to clean the board again with the ultrasonic cleaner. be back with the battery. Here's the battery. The LCD connector. Yeah, those MacBook Airs, as soon as you connect the charger, they start by themselves. They spin 2 times. I don't know why. All of them. Oh, there is no hard drive. Where's the hard drive? Wait, I'll call you back. It's on. I have been getting many calls from people from stores within Canada asking me how to do this, if I have no backlight, I did what you did in the video. Like again, it's not just a chip you change then the laptop will work. You have to troubleshoot and diagnose, you have to check with the voltmeter, couple of checks, you have to trace the problem. So if you need any help, you can call me, I'll help in my free time. If you need any repair done, contact me. If you need me to train technicians, contact me. Again, my phone number 403-473-1253. My website www.appleexpert.ca. And basically we keep it simple. Come on. So here I can see from the it's charging, which means green light, orange light, it means it worked. So I have to clean it now with ultrasonic cleaner and contact the customer to pick it up. Thank you again. If you like this video, just like us, leave a review. If you need any help, just call us 403-473-1253. Thank you guys.